Have you ever wondered what you would do if there was a zombie apocalypse? Even more, have you wondered what you ought to do when facing down both the undead hordes and other desperate survivors? I know I have. In fact, so much so, I wrote the book on it. In the absence of enforceable laws, civil authority, or any form of social constraint, it might be tempting to run amok. Well, I'm here to tell you that's a bad idea. If what you do to survive the zombie apocalypse undermines fundamentally what makes you human, much better is it to be undead than to be the evil living who are responsible for the morally depraved monsters that they have become. If you want to find out how to keep your brain during a zombie apocalypse without losing your heart, then sign up for one of my Introduction to Ethics courses. Remember, your very survival as a moral person might depend on it.